Let us introduce you to the presidential suite.
Who says that luxury is not possible with a home extension, home renovation? Do you know how you go on holidays and you enjoy beautiful resorts, hotels and everything? Same feeling you can create at your own house. As long as you have a design sense, you have think through about practical utilization of the space and also aesthetically, practically how that space can bring a magic into your life.
100%. Well, with our presidential suite, we have added heaps of different features which give that premium luxury feel. One of my favorites have to be the skylight that we've integrated to the home. We have over 7 in the top floor of the house, allowing so much natural sunlight to come through, as well as a chandelier which isn't blingy as such, but more integrates the same color scheme of the natural and matte black feel of the house.
True, and then we have created a fire space which is bringing so warm feeling into the bedroom, and it has a different combination of different colors and other stuff which is so ambient for the atmosphere for the presidential suite. Then we have created a cafe or bar into the presidential suite, so it's so luxury convenient for you to use all your fridge, cafe and all your items into that place.
Another one of my favorite features have to be the bifold door and sliding door that we've installed to touch onto the balcony. So obviously a lot of rooms have balconies, but they're not often involved or used as much because it's not integrated. So we created this in a way where the indoor-outdoor space again has been so well integrated that you feel like wanting to use the balcony. We've also added a swing into the balcony that you can enjoy, just so that space is really easy to utilize and enjoy.
Yeah, let me show you one more thing. So we also have in this presidential suite thoughtful way of utilizing your whole storage space, very practical way. So behind this master bedroom bed head, we have created a walk-in robe. Let me walk you through. So here we have a beautifully designed cabinets which has all the storage in it, and it has a beautiful LED lights with a sensor LED lights you can walk through, and you can have all the storage spaces of his and her clothes into best utilizing space. That space looks really amazingly storage space. Then we have designed a dressing table in a similar design tone and with a matte black finish with the panels, and the whole house, its design goes together very well.